Former Union Minister and prominent BJP leader Smriti Irani is reportedly being considered as a candidate for the Greater Kailash Assembly seat in the upcoming Delhi elections. The BJP has already announced candidates for 59 out of 70 constituencies and is looking for a strong contender to take on Aam Aadmi Party's popular minister and current GK MLA Saurabh Bharadwaj. The GK seat has become a focal point for the BJP with multiple rounds of discussions taking place. Sources reveal that Irani is among 4 women leaders being considered. However, insiders close to Irani dismiss the speculation, saying she is not in the race. Meanwhile, the other women contenders, including former Mayor Aarti Mehra, current GK councillor Shikhar Rai, and former Union Minister Meenakshi Lekhi, are reportedly eager for the ticket. The BJP's Delhi unit views Irani as a charismatic leader who could fill a leadership gap and effectively counter Aam Aadmi Party Chief National Convener Arvind Kejriwal. Irani gained significant political clout after defeating Rahul Gandhi in his stronghold of Amethi during the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Party sources have indicated that BJP election in charge Baijan Panda has been actively involved in discussions about the GK seat, meeting candidates and evaluating options. A party source said, and I quote, "The GK seat has emerged as a very important constituency during our poll discussions. The BJP's Delhi election in charge by Baijan Panda was himself deputed by the Central Election Committee last Friday to seek the assent of the candidates being considered, including a former Delhi MP. A source added that on Monday, the Delhi Core Committee had a meeting lasting several hours with the senior leadership to finalize the remaining names, where the state unit made a request for strong face like Irani's. The response was that this request will be considered. Three-time MLA and senior Aam Aadmi Party leader Saurabh Bharadwaj poses a formidable challenge in GK. The BJP has already fielded high-profile candidates against the Aam Aadmi Party heavyweights, such as Parvesh Verma against Kejriwal in New Delhi and Ramesh Biduri against Atishi in Kalkaji. However, some BJP leaders advise caution, recalling the party's misstep in the 2025 elections when former IPS officer Kiran Bedi was announced as the CM faced at the last minute. Suggesting the importance of balancing star power with grassroots support, a senior leader warned bringing in an outsider, no matter how popular, could demoralize local workers and disrupt the momentum.
मैं दिल्ली के लोगों को कहना चाहूँगा कि काम के लिए वोट दीजिएगा। एक तरफ काम करने वाली पार्टी है और एक तरफ गाली गलौज देने वाली पार्टी है। गालियाँ देने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता है, गालियाँ देने से कोई तरक्की नहीं होती, विकास नहीं होता। हम इस बात पे चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं कि हमने पिछले 10 साल में क्या काम किया, आगे 5 साल में क्या काम करेंगे, हमारा दिल्ली का विजन क्या है। हम इन चीज़ों पे चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं और वो दूसरी बीजेपी जो है वो इस बात पे केवल सुबह से शाम तक हमें गालियां देती है। तो काम के लिए वोट दीजिए, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, बिजली, पानी, सड़क, इन चीज़ों के लिए वोट दीजिए। कई सारे काम किए हैं, अभी कई सारे काम बाकी हैं, करने भी हैं। तो मैं पूरी उम्मीद करता हूं कि लोग जम के काम के लिए वोट देंगे। उनके पास ना सीएम है, ना विजन है, ना नैरेटिव है। दिल्ली वालों के लिए क्या काम किए उन्होंने 10 साल में, उनके पास कोई जवाब नहीं है इसका। अगले 5 साल वो क्या काम करेंगे, इस बात का भी कोई जवाब नहीं है उनके पास।